Continuing with the bulletin, State Power Minister Abu Tahir Mandal said there is no discussion about load shedding till date as the state has sufficient water. He, however, stressed on the need to ensure more power projects are implemented in the state to mitigate the shortage of power supply. On scrapping of Kinshi Power Project, the minister said for Kinshi Stage 1, originally, the MOU was signed by one independent power producer and they wanted a particular height of the dam. But then one of the reasons was that the Atomic Energy rejected the height of the dam because that might flood uranium mining sites. He informed that the department is working to implement a power project at Umyam River.
We are having review meetings to see that we very judiciously use our electricity so that we don't have the situation that we have last time or last year we have suffered. We will try to minimize as much as possible. Yeah, we have planned on that way only to see that what I also feel very difficult to say because it will transpire that we are going for load shedding immediately. So far till now, nothing like that, but maybe depending on the weather condition. Till now, we have not discussed about load shedding. That we are self-sufficient is sufficient, water is there.